or a traffic infraction. I honked at you because you're blocking the way with your car, talking to the other.
Let me have your
No.
license. Let me have
No.
your license.
I'll put it back in my pocket.
What happens when police officers don't find criminals out there? They need job security, folks. So they're going to have to create some crimes and criminals. I found this channel off Instagram, and it's on one of those channels that doesn't really give credit to the original uploader. So I'm reaching out to you guys to help me find who the original uploader of this video is. Send me the link if you can, or let me know so I can put it in the description to give them the proper credit that they deserve. What I do see across the screen is that there is a little Mr. Checkpoint watermark. So for now, we'll give him the credit. Only because Mr. Checkpoint usually does give the original channels credit. I didn't find it on Mr. Checkpoint's channel though, so I couldn't find the original video. So now I'm reaching out to you guys. But I do want to highlight exactly what's happening in this video. This guy has a pregnant wife in the car. And you guys already know that when your wife is pregnant, you shouldn't be stressing her out. And that goes for police officers too. So police officers get mad because this guy honks at him, but they were stopping traffic. Two cops were talking to each other and they wouldn't let the man go who had his pregnant wife in the car, who was actually in a hurry, but he wasn't speeding. They were actually at a complete stop. So when this man beeps the horn at the cops, they get mad, and this is exactly how they behave. Watch this video and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Let's get right to it, folks.
You see he stopped there. No lights or anything. Put my signal light on. The other cop comes. Pull over. Start talking. I probably honk around here. I think he put his hand out the window right there. Waited again. Oh, that's when he pulls up. I tell him the situation. He lets me go. The other cop, Officer Daniels, hops out and he starts demanding my license. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. Fast forward to the point. This is where he gets in his car, gets his radio, comes to my side, and then starts asking me for my license again. Crime or a traffic infraction. I honked at you because you're blocking the way with your car, talking to the other.
Let me have your
No.
license. Let me have
No.
your license.
I'll put it back in my pocket. Your ego's really this big? I honked at you very nicely one time for you to move out the way. He wants to continue. I have an emergency. That's why I'm at the emergency room for my wife.
Okay, we're gonna if you need emergency help, that's one thing.
I already told you that.
Okay.
That's the first thing I told you when I opened this window.
No. First of all,
The first thing I told you. No, I don't want to hear no first of all. You either let me go so I can go with my emergency, or you call your supervisor.
Turn your car off.
I don't need to turn my car off.
Turn your car off.
Call your supervisor.
Turn your car off. Turn your car off.
Here.
Get out the car.
Here.
Get out the car. Get out the car. Stand over there. Oh, so you're okay now?
I had an accident.
Okay.
I'll call my lawyer.
Are you okay?
Right now, no. I'm having a lot of pain, and
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I don't have to have a
Have a
seat, sir.
You say you need fire rescue?
I don't need fire rescue. I'm at the
Have a seat.
hospital.
Have a seat.
I'm
Have a
fine.
seat.
I'm not being
Have a seat.
aggressive. I'm fine.
You start fire rescue this way. Young lady say she's been involved in an accident. She's alert.
I'm recording. It's fine.
You're at 2001 Northwest 79 Avenue at JMH what?
Rescue herself. She's in the parking lot. Let me have your license, sir.
What infraction? No, I refuse. I refuse.
Okay, we'll deal with you in the morning.
That's fine.
I'm Officer Daniels.
Officer Daniels?
My name is Officer Daniels.
Okay.
My ID is 5541.
5541 for the camera.
Sir, don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. Okay, do not threaten me. Do not
You're
threaten me.
blocking the right of way.
Nobody's blocking.
Room. Yes, you are. Because the other cop was right here.
Are you gonna
no,
let me
I don't
speak?
need to talk to you.
Are
You're
you
the
gonna let
civil
me
servant.
speak?
You
Okay.
listen to me.
All right.
That's it.
Okay.
You move out the way when I have an emergency. That's it.
Step on the sidewalk over there.
There is not. That's not a
Stay
sidewalk.
on the curb. Stay on the curb, sir. Stay on the curb.
I'll stay on this curb.
Sir, stay on the curb, sir.
I'm gonna stay on this curb.
Stay on the curb. Stay on the curb over there.
This is where you stop them.
Stay on the curb.
This is your chance to reel them back.
For me and my partner, you understand?
So is that why you pulled me over?
That's not the way you do things.
Is that why you pulled me over?
You told us that she was having.
Is that why you pulled me over? Because I blew my horn because you were in the way and I was going to the emergency room?
Are you going to let me?
I don't need to. You're gonna give me a ticket. Give me a ticket if you like. I need to go to the emergency room right now.
Okay, you've been cleared by fire rescue. If you would like to still go in there, you can. But
Okay.
listen, don't
Call your supervisor.
listen,
Regardless,
listen,
I don't need to listen. I do not listen. If you would like, you can write me a ticket.
Don't.
You see, he stopped there. No lights or anything. Put my signal light on.
Well. If it isn't the old Miami-Dade Police Department, one of the most crooked police departments in the history of policing. Because we have people out there recording and doing First Amendment audits and cop watching, we are able to see the patterns that is the corrupt Miami-Dade Police Department. I want to give a huge shout out to Raggle Monkey, who's recorded that department for a long time. We got Joey Surreal Camera out there as well. I'll drop both of their links in the description and in the pinned comment. A late friend of mine, Jay Surreal Camera, was also recording Miami-Dade Police Department. He recently passed away, and a lot of those cops are out there mocking him. But the true mockery is that these cops can't stop screwing up. They have a total disdain for the people, an utter disrespect for freedom. And because of that, we're going to highlight this video. We're going to drop the information to that department in the description and in the pinned comment. And I'll go ahead and leave it here for you guys to see. You know, part of the First Amendment is to be able to redress your government. So you guys do what you need to do. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.